Put your all excuses aside and remember this. You are capable. Zig Ziglar. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom. The idiom we are going to discuss today is breathe once last. Breathe once last. In this class, we are going to discuss in detail the meaning and usage of the idiom breathe once last. Now let's look at the meaning for this idiom. Breathes once last means to die. When someone breathes their last, they die. If someone has died, rather than simply saying he died, people try to be more polite by saying instead that he breathed his last. This is a nicer way of saying that someone has died. So, breathes once last means to die. Now, let us use this idiom in a sentence. Look at this example sentence. My grandfather breathed his last and was buried in the churchyard. It means my grandfather died and was buried in the churchyard. This is the place where my grandfather breathed his last. This means this is the place where my grandfather died. He was nearly 95 when he breathed his last. It means he was really 95 when he died. So, today people use this phrase to show polite respect for who has died. In this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the idiom breathe once last. It means to die. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.